Our traffic has dropped 87%. Does anyone have any idea what's going on?
I think it's Mercury retrograde. Maybe Google is sabotaging us?
Every company wants to show up on Google, but no one wants to do real SEO.
At Mugen, we turn guesswork into growth. Technical SEO, domain authority, and strategic content. We don't hope Google likes you. We make it respect you.
Tired of investing heavily in paid traffic and only attracting curious people? SEO costs less and build something that is yours. For real. Do you want real visibility, qualified leads, followers who become customers? Then invest in your position.
Your website doesn't even appear when someone searches for your name?
Time to make Google remember that you exist.
I signed up with Mugen, and now the competition wants to know how I pulled ahead.